Hi, this is Brooke Jolly. What we're going to do right now is go over how to update WordPress after you've done your initial installation and how to set up the base options. First thing we're going to do here, we're at the wemedicare.com site that we set up earlier. I'm going to go to wplogin.php, and that brings you to this page where you can do your username and password. What you're going to do is use the username and password that you set up earlier. I had switched that, so sorry about the delay there. Now, the first thing that's going to get brought up to is this screen here that is the basic dashboard. So it's already showing that we have updates, but at the top of the screen you see it says that there's a new version of WordPress. The first thing we'll do there is just go ahead and click Update Now. That's going to go ahead and bring us back to the dashboard, but with the new updated version of WordPress. A lot of times there are pre-installed plugins. You can see right here, Ascomet and Hello Dolly come installed by default. We're just going to go ahead and delete those. So under plugins, we clicked the check boxes, drop the drop down to delete, hit apply. Yes, delete these files, and now we've removed all the plugins. Next, we're going to go to Pages, trash the sample page. And next we're going to add 2 more pages. So the first page we're going to add is called Home. That's going to be the home page for the website that's always going to get gone to, is the very first page that somebody comes to when they type in the URL. We're not going to add anything else to it right now, just hit publish. Second thing we're going to do is add another new page up here at the top of the screen. Hit add new again. We're going to call this one blog. What this is going to be where all the blog posts go to. Over here on the right where it says page attributes, we're going to change the order of this so that it is ordered to 10, which that means it's going to be the 10th thing that shows up in your menu, so that normally we'll put it at the end. And that leaves you plenty of room between 0 and 10 to put other sites or to put other pages in. So next we're going to hit publish there. So now we've got our home page and our blog page done. The next thing to do is go here to settings. Settings have got a lot of different things going on. The first thing that I like to do here, we're going to change this site title from just showing that to doing something more descriptive of what the site's about. Normally I like to use a keyword that I'm targeting. So we're going to say Medicare Supplement Insurance. For the web address, I'm going to go ahead and change it to the www version. And what you need to do on that is just add the www to the start of it. That way it's gonna change it so that it always displays that. I'm going to go ahead and leave the email address the same. Anybody can register. All the other stuff is the same. Hit Save Changes. Next, it's going to make you log in again. And the reason it does that is because you changed the site from the www to the non-www version. Go ahead and put in my password again. Now that you're here, we can go to Settings again, go to Reading. We're going to tell it that we want a static page as our front page display. We're going to tell it to display home, and for the post page we're going to tell it to display blog. So front page is home, post page is blog. Hit Save Changes. Next thing that we're going to do is go to Permalinks. Underneath the Permalinks, change the permalink to post name. That will make it so that in the structure of your site it's going to show the post name rather than the P123 or the lots of date information and all that. This is just better for SEO purposes. What you're going to do here is hit Save Changes. Now what we have is a WordPress site that has the home button, has the link for the blog. It's still got the Hello Word post. We'll remove that in just a second. And has the 2 basic things configured. And also you see here at the top of the screen, instead of showing the web address, it now says Medicare Supplement Insurance at the top. Other thing to do under dashboards, we're going to delete that Hello World post by going to Posts, and then just like we deleted the original page, we're just going to hit Trash right there. Alright, so there you have it. We've got a basic setup WordPress site that has the home page, the blog page, and all the basic options configured. Next we're going to go over how to do plugins, so stay tuned for that.